we are going to see a recruitment news from Bharat Electronics Limited. So Bharat Electronics Limited Bangalore is recruiting for the post of graduate apprentice, and actually a lot of branches they are calling for. Okay, so let us see all details regarding this recruitment. So the recruitment is happening from Bharat Electronics Limited, Bangalore, Karnataka, and there is a recruitment for graduate apprentice, and the branches they are calling are electronics engineering, telecommunication engineering, electronics and communication, electronics and instrumentation, electronics and telecommunication. That means all branches of electronics are actually eligible. Next, mechanical, industrial production, industrial engineering and management. These are actually for the mechanical branch. Then electrical and electronics, computer engineering, computer science, then information science, information technology, then civil engineering, chemical engineering, environmental engineering, environment pollution and control engineering. So these are the branches, and actually all the branches are actually eligible. Okay, so all branches of engineering they are recruiting. Now, the eligibility criteria is candidates should have passed engineering on or after June 2018. Only then you are eligible to apply. Generally, this is the case for all apprenticeship. You should have passed on or before 2018. 2018, they are actually keeping us the cutoff year. Okay. Next, the percentage of mark is 60% and above for general and OBC, 50% and above for SC/ST. Okay, and the persons with disabilities. And also another important thing is that the candidates must be from Karnataka state only. So if you are not belonging to Karnataka state, if you are not a candidate from Karnataka state, you can skip this video here. Okay, please do share with all your friends who is from Karnataka state anyway. Okay, so this recruitment is actually only for persons who are belonging from Karnataka state only. Age limit also they have given specifically, it is 25 years for general, and also there is age relaxation for all the reserved categories as per reservation rules of Government of India. Then also they have told regarding the experience and previous apprenticeship. If you have done any previous apprenticeship, then you are not eligible to apply. Okay. Talking about the selection process, it is just like any other apprenticeship recruitment. Here, the selection is purely based on your BTech mark. Okay, that is only criteria they are taking. And also there will be some reservation rules given for the reserved categories. That is also again common for all these kind of recruitments. Okay, so you don't have to do any written test. You don't have to give any written test or interview or anything. You just have to mail. That is, I'll tell you the application procedure. You don't have to try the exam or interview. Okay, there is a selection is mainly happening, or the selection is only happening based on your marks of BTech. Okay, next. Other things also they have given the stipend rate. It is the present stipend rate of BEL is 11,110 rupees per month, and also this apprenticeship is for a period of 1 year. After this 1 year, they are not saying any guarantee for continuing in this organization, but generally what is the case is that if you have done apprenticeship in this organization, if there is any further recruitments happening in the future, these people who have done apprenticeship may get a preference. Okay, this is the case with some of the organization. Actually, while going through the notification of recruitments, I have seen this thing that if you have done previous apprenticeship in the same organization, those candidates will be getting preference. But it is not the case for all organization, but you can expect that you will get a preference. Okay, anyway, you will get a valid certificate and the stipend, which is on a monthly basis. Okay, this thing is sure. Now, let us see the application procedure. So the first thing you have to do is you have to enroll to the NATS portal, mhrdnats.gov.in. That is the site you have to follow. First you have to enroll in that site, get your specific enrollment number. This is the first or the initial step you have to do. After enrolling, you will get an application form along with this notification itself. You have to download, take a printout, fill it up and send with your necessary certificates to the given address. That is the application procedure. Now, which all certificates you have to keep, I'll tell you. 10th or SLC certificate, degree certificate, that is BTech certificate, caste certificate if applicable, and also Aadhaar card. Okay, so these all things, that is the self-attested copies of these certificates also you have to keep in your envelope while sending the application form. Okay, so that is the application procedure. There is no application fees or anything. Okay, so we have actually seen all details regarding this recruitment. So if you are belonging to Karnataka state and if you have these qualifications, please do see the notification detail, and if you think that you are eligible, please to apply for it as soon as possible. I'm trying to bring up maximum amount of recruitments, especially for the electronics branch. So if you are interested in watching further recruitment videos, please to subscribe to the channel. Also share it with all your friends who's belonging to the electronics branch. Okay, that is electronics and communication, electronics and instrumentation, and also EEE. Okay, also for subject videos, you can go to the playlist session. In that session, you can see the subject wise playlist. Okay, so that's all about the recruitment news from BEL. If you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.